Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning to all. Today we are celebrating a great day, our 15th of August, Independence Day. On this day, our country became free. We love our country very much. Our India is a beautiful land of different cultures and colors. We must always respect our national flag, the Tiranga, and love our country. Today let us remember our great freedom fighters who made India free. As little children, we can do this by we can also serve our country. We can do this by keeping our school clean, helping our friends, and standing well. Let us promise to become good citizens and make India proud. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.